Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be showing you how to get these super pretty Starry Sunset Gradient nails. This video is sponsored by Skillshare, so before we get started on the tutorial, let me tell you a little bit about how it works. So Skillshare is an online learning community for creatives where tons of people come together to learn from thousands of classes on topics including illustration, design, photography, video, freelancing, and a bunch more. I know so many of us are staying at home more often nowadays, so this is a great way to explore new skills or expand in something you already have a passion for. I find that these classes are a great way to relax and manage stress along with having fun and being creative. One of my favorite Skillshare classes is DIY filming, which teaches you how to create pro video with tools you already own. Skillshare is curated specifically for learning, meaning there are no ads and they are always launching new premium classes. And it's also less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. So the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a 2-month free trial of the premium membership, so be sure not to miss out. Alright, so let's get started on the tutorial. First, apply a base coat to your nails. I am using one of my favorites from Maxis Nails. Next, apply a light pink polish for the base color. Now apply some liquid latex around the nail. This will help protect the skin. Once the base color and latex have dried, apply dark blue, purple, light pink, and orange polish to a makeup sponge and sponge onto the nail. Repeat the previous steps again until you get the look you want. I did 2 layers, waiting 1 minute in between each layer. Now remove the latex and clean up around the nail with a brush and polish remover. Next, apply a holographic glitter polish to mainly the blue area, then lightly swipe some down to the other colors. Finally, apply a top coat to help protect your design and give it a nice glossy finish. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!